What are we? We all have our own ideas. Where did you get yours? From your parents or your family? From your culture or an ancient book? From science? Did you come up with them on your own? Many of us are aware of the idea of evolution, that those who survive are the ones best fit for their environment, and that over thousands and millions of years, this can result in drastic changes. When we think of evolution, most often we are thinking about where we come from and how we got here, not as much where we are going. Where are we going? One interesting idea comes from the X-Men. In the X-Men comics, why is it that they have superpowers? Because they're the next step in evolution. Not Homo sapiens, but Homo superior. When we ask what we are, we can't speak only of individuals. Because individuals live in groups, whether those be families or communities, or cultures or countries. If we imagine a ball or a sphere with millions of little organisms on it, as one encounters another, it devours it, or vice versa. Perhaps they merge. But over time, what happens? Millions become thousands, thousands become dozens, until eventually there are only 2 or 3 very large organisms, almost swallowing the whole thing. At which point what? At which point we can see that what's really been going on here this whole time is this is one organism that hasn't yet formed. That is what's going on with us. The real next step in evolution is not on the level of the individual, but on the level of the species. The real Homo superior is a united humanity, which is a beautiful idea. But it begs the question, where does the Earth fit in with all this? We have a beautiful idea of the Earth, Mother Earth. But no matter how much you love your mother, you are not your mother. And part of what's gotten us into this pickle is this idea that we're separate from the Earth. What we need is a new idea, a new concept, a new identity. Not Homo sapiens, not Homo superior, but Homo Gaia, a united humanity, itself united with the Earth. We can become more, but the first step in addressing our great challenges is working together. Come join at globalunity.org.